The variance measures the relationship between two variables. Histogram is a visualization technique used to display the distribution of data points. Principal component analysis (PCA) is a technique used for increasing dimensionality. Standardization transforms data into a common scale. Correlation measures the spread of data points around the mean. Elbow method is used to determine the optimal number of clusters in clustering analysis. Regression analysis is used to explore relationships between multiple variables. Multivariate analysis involves exploring patterns within a single variable. Variance is a measure used to evaluate the spread of data points around the mean. Principal component analysis (PCA) is a technique used for dimensionality reduction.